How to fix Windows activation problem. We can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization. If you guys are facing this kind of issue, then I'll show you guys how to fix it exactly. First thing you need to do is check your Windows activation status. You can do that by going over to your start menu and right clicking on it and going over to your settings. Once you go to settings, find system tab on the left hand side. And from System, scroll down and find Activation. Go ahead and click on it, and then from here you can find your activation state. As you can see, I have my Windows activated currently and it's running. But if it's showing you the error message from the title, then you need to make sure to run a troubleshooter here first. Before you do that, go over to Windows Update and then check if there are any updates available. Click on check for updates. It might be because your Windows might not be up to date, so it's always a good idea to check for updates and update the software to its latest version. After doing so, you want to go to System and then go to Troubleshoot and then Other Troubleshooters. From here, you basically have to find the Windows Update Troubleshooter and then tap on Run. And it will automatically run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and see if there is anything wrong with your device. Now, if you are unable to access that settings, from there, what you need to do is open Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R key. And then here you need to type in this command, SLUI space 3, and then tap on OK, tap on Yes, and it will take you to the same activation page here. Now, if you have a activation key or a product key, then you need to basically go ahead and click on this change product key option. Click on change. If you want to upgrade it to a pro version of Windows, then in that case, you can enter the product key here, whether it's for activation or upgrade or whatever it is. You can basically enter the product key here, click on next, and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.